one makes two, but three becomes a crowd. Friends are meant to be just friends, and love was never said. You don't believe I really love you, I don't know why I should care. Often think about you, wish that you were here, but you don't believe I really love you.
Our next model is Kelli Cross. Kelly's a film director here in Perth. Now, as a working mum, she doesn't have much time to do her makeup, and she very rarely wears makeup, she told me. So her main thing that she wanted me to be able to achieve for her, if she was going to sit in the chair, was to do a bit of remedial camouflage for her, and I think I've achieved this look by the end of it, you'll see. First up, I've used colour corrector under her eyes to get that skin tone back to normal. I've then used a liquid Bobbi Brown foundation, and the shade I used was a Cool Espresso.
I occupy the helmet of my mind, hide the furrow of my brow, traverse the wielding heartland.
Perfectly matched for her skin colour was the Bobbi Brown Full Coverage Concealer. I've used it under her eyes on top of the foundation and on top of the colour correcting that I've done before. The whole idea here was to get her skin tone all the same, looking perfect as it does.
There's no sense in direction. Hold out, feel your heavy steps.
For her eyes, we've done a highlight in a shimmery gold. I've also used a matte mahogany shade for her mid-tone. And I've used a burgundy on the outer corner to accent her eyes, to contour them. With brown eyes, you can use any shades of colours. What a benefit, hey? I've used a shade of Espresso for her eyebrows, just brow powder is all that's needed. I've used a soft orange shade of colour on her cheeks. For her lips, I've lined her lips with a spice colour. I've then added a similar colour in a Merlot shade on her lips, and then just finished it off with a soft pink lip gloss on top.
I once knew an old man who thought I could walk without a sound.
For this look, we wanted to get our client's skin tone to be all the same tone. That was the issue. So we used a mixture of about 3 foundations from Bobbi Brown, and we've used their liquid foundation and then some of their concealer stick foundations as well. We've used their under eye concealer, long wear, and we've also used some blush mascara as well. We've used just on the eyes, I've just done some neutral colours that sort of pop her eyes. So we've used some purples, some burgundies, we've used some golds, we've used some dark mahogany colours as well, and just try to make it a natural look, but also a made-up look, because our model doesn't usually wear much makeup at all. So what do you think of the look?
I'm loving it. I really like it. It looks fabulous and very natural. And yeah, look away. Yeah, that's good.
A more beautiful version of you?
Yeah. Oh, definitely. Thank you.
Hold out, feel your heavy steps touch the ground. Hold out.
This production has been brought to you by Someday Pictures and Jenstar Makeup. You can follow us on Instagram.
Hold out, feel your heavy steps.
Make him beautiful. Gwabadabiny.
Touch the ground. Touch the ground. Touch the ground.